The pursued digital world is most commonly used digital platform when the defining the need of for digital citizenship, digital fluency and digital literacy. The digital world is the unable to use digital tools to communicate on the internet and digital devices, smart device and other technologies. Academic use, humanity of education discuss of the digital world tend to create variations when uh, defining mass of mediated technologies and human interactions that test as part of the digital world. The purchase digital world is used loosely as mass known with many possible meaning of variations. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you this opportunity.
Yeah, that was really nice of you, Ajmal. What I appreciate in Ajmal is that despite the hiccups that he has in his presentation, he's always willing to present more and more and improve his presentation. So the rest of you who are not coming forward, he is an example for you that yes, only when you help yourself, then God can help you in improving your God or teachers, whoever it is, can help you only when you help yourself. And that is the spirit that I always see in Ajmal, who's always wanting to present despite the gaps and plugs that are there or hiccups that he faced while he presents. He's not bothered. He's only bothered about presenting and improving every day. Good, Ajmal. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Anita, ma'am.
Yes, as Suchitra ma'am said, I admire your grit and determination that you're going to use this platform to improve yourself. This shows your dedication, determination, qualities that are going to take you places, because this is what is needed in our younger generation. And Ajmal, I really admire you. Every day we feel bad when we say that, give the others a chance, because you're always ready, kind of, and very good. And you've been bringing to the table different topics, a variety of topics that shows you are thinking about various things. I liked this topic of digital world because we are using the platform also. And this concept of digital citizenship is very, very crucial. And I think all the students need to read up on digital citizenship. Just like we have Indian citizenship or American citizenship, now there is this new, like COVID-19, coronavirus. Now you have a new term in our lives, which is digital citizenship. And there are some norms that we have to follow in this digital world. So that's what Ajmal made us aware of. And I think everybody should read what are our rights, what is the way to behave. Or Ajmal, interesting topic. And I'm sure, like we had, practice makes perfect. You keep on doing this, and by the end, by 15, I think you will be perfect with your oral presentations. Congratulations, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations, Ajmal. You have really done very well. And as we know, every day you try to come up with a nice topic, very well presented. And future is this digital world. There are no jobs elsewhere, but in digital world, there are lots of jobs, and that's where the future is going on. Everything is going to turn digital, including the classrooms, as we have already seen. Thank you. And